13. 13 sealed on the bottom and sealed on the top. All right, it is not a heavy one. It is a jersey tonight. A jersey so far tonight. Maybe we'll be back for break number 4. Nice looking jersey though. Nice looking jersey. We got a JSA certification. Going out to, was this a pick team? No, this was a random team. And look at this girl coming back and hitting. Kenny Golladay for the Lions. The Lions. Kenny Golladay on the black and blue Lions jersey going to Heather. Congratulations on the Kenny G. Sweet looking black and blue jersey.